This object has gone by two names. Originally it was called the Cosmic Cube, but now it is referred to as the Tesseract. It was later discovered that the Tesseract was a containment vessel for the Space Stone, one of the 6 Infinity Stones.
That's not bad.
If used correctly, the Tesseract can open gateways to any part of the universe and provide interdimensional travel. Many believe it is an unlimited source of energy because it draws cosmic energy from space.
The Tesseract could be the key to unlimited sustainable energy. That's something the world sorely needs.
It first appears in 2010's film Iron Man 2. The Tesseract plays a major role because the palladium core in Tony's arc reactor is poisoning him and he seeks a replacement. He ends up reading Howard Stark's journal to find a replacement and comes across his notes on the Tesseract. With this knowledge, Tony creates a new element which generates power similar to the Tesseract to keep him from dying.
I'm Howard Stark, and everything you'll need in the future can be found right here.
It appears next in 2010's TV series The Superhero Squad show. The Tesseract does not appear in the TV series, but rather the Space Stone does. The plot is similar to the storyline of the MCU from Phase 1 to Phase 3, as Thanos searches the universe to collect all Infinity Stones. The only difference is that instead of the stone being blue in the MCU, it's purple.
Space Stone! See you later, Super Loser Squad.
It appears next in 2011's film Captain America: The First Avenger. The Red Skull retrieved the Tesseract to power enhanced weaponry, but later it sent him to Vormir to be the keeper of the Soul Stone. After Howard Stark retrieved it, it was kept at Camp Lehigh until 1970, when Iron Man and Captain America tried to obtain the cube in Avengers Endgame. It appears next in 2011's TV series The Avengers: Earth's Mightiest Heroes. A cube does appear in the show, but is not referred to as the Tesseract, but instead referred as the Cosmic Cube. Instead of the cube allowing interdimensional travel, anyone who touches it shapes the world into their desire. It appears next in 2011's film Thor. The Tesseract does not make a large appearance in the film, but appears during the end credits. Nick Fury presents the cube to Professor Eric Selvig, who he hopes to figure out the key to obtain an unlimited source of energy.
What is it?
Power, Doctor. If we can figure out how to tap it, maybe unlimited power.
It appears next in 2012's film The Avengers. The Tesseract plays a huge role in the movie, especially in the beginning when it opens a portal to Loki, who has returned from his apparent death in Thor. Later, the cube is used to open a gateway to the Chitauri in space, so then Loki can launch an attack on New York.
The Tesseract is not only active, she's behaving.
I assume you pulled the plug.
She's an energy source. We turn off the power, she turns it back on.
It appears next in 2012's TV series Ultimate Spider-Man. The cube does not play a huge role in the series, as it only appears once. The cube is not referred by any name, but its appearance is similar to other versions.
Too tiny. Too bright.
I'm warning yous, I know quack folk.
Too weird.
It appears next in 2013's video game LEGO Marvel Superheroes. The Tesseract plays a big role in the game when Loki manipulates Doctor Doom into building a Tesseract-powered ray, which would allow him to control Galactus and destroy both Earth and Asgard.
S.H.I.E.L.D. has an entire battalion of troops dedicated to guarding the Tesseract.
Humans, guarding this item of immense power. Please, I can rain thunder and lightning on anyone who touches it.
It appears next in 2013's video game Marvel Heroes. In the game, it is referred to as the Cosmic Cube, but is obtained by Doctor Doom, who uses it to incinerate the Watcher.
No human can hold such power. You're wrong! One can.
It appears next in 2014's TV series Avengers Assemble. Similar to the TV series The Superhero Squad show, the Tesseract does not appear, but rather the Space Stone does and is searched throughout the universe by Thanos.
Guys, look alive. Remind me what this Infinity Stone does?
The Space Stone controls physical space, realms, dimensions, portals.
It appears next in 2014's film Guardians of the Galaxy. The Tesseract does not play a big role in the film, but a preview of it is shown when the Collector gives a brief origin of the 6 Infinity Stones.
And the remnants of these systems were forged into concentrated ingots. These stones, it seems, can only be brandished by beings of extraordinary strength.
It appears next in 2014's video game Marvel's Contest of Champions. The cube is only seen when you use the Red Skull in a fight, because he uses the Tesseract in his special attacks against an enemy. It appears next in 2015's film Avengers Age of Ultron. The Tesseract once again does not have a large role in the film, but it appears in Thor's vision, where he sees that the Space Stone is within the Tesseract. It appears next in 2016's anime TV series Marvel Disc Wars The Avengers. In this TV series, the object is equivalent to the Cosmic Cube, but is a spherical device and is referred to as the Dimension Sphere. It appears next in 2017's film Thor Ragnarok. The Tesseract has a significant role in this film because Loki takes the Tesseract when resurrecting Surtur with the Eternal Flame, but is taken away from him by Thanos in the following film, Avengers Infinity War. It appears next in 2018's film, Avengers Infinity War. The Tesseract is only seen in the beginning, when Thanos obtains it from Loki, after threatening to kill Thor. He then breaks it with his hand. He then retrieves the Space Stone and uses it to open portals throughout the film.
Lies within your grasp.
It appears next in 2019's film Captain Marvel. Marvel, a Kree scientist, used the Tesseract by harnessing its energy and creating a light-speed engine for Skrull refugees, but the energy ended up giving Captain Marvel her powers.
Is that it? The core?
In her notes she called it the Tesseract.
Its final appearance is in 2019's box office record film Avengers Endgame. Both the Space Stone and the Tesseract appear in the film and have a great significance. For the Space Stone, it helps bring everyone who disappeared back. For the Tesseract, after Iron Man and Ant-Man failed to retrieve it in 2012, Loki uses it to escape. What happens next will be shown in the Loki series in 2021 on the Disney Plus streaming service.